Introducing 12 Kilter Place, Rivervale, a rare, one-owner 1970s gem now available for the very first time. Set on a huge 809 square meter block in a quiet cul-de-sac, this home offers timeless character, solid double brick construction, and room to grow. Inside, you'll find 3 spacious bedrooms, multiple living zones, a galley kitchen, and Jarrah floorboards ready to shine. Outside, a saltwater pool, a large undercover patio, and a triple garage with workshop space complete the lifestyle. Moments from Peat Park, the Swan River, and the CBD, location, land, and opportunity come together in one incredible property. Phone contact Sean Posner on 0411 146 430 or email sean@propropertygroup.com.au to arrange your inspection today. 12 Kilter Place, Rivervale, your future starts here.